question 7, which says, which reagents can be used to form each of the following compounds? From this, of course, here I have a halogen alkane, comes from an alkene if I add HCl, I know that. And here I have OH, it comes from an alkene again if I add H2O and my acid. So it's not even a problem for me. So let me put those two. So how am I going to do it? I'm going to say for this one, where it just comes from is, for part A, I'll be saying you'll be having this. I'm not worried about the benzene ring. I'm not worried about him, okay? He doesn't worry me. If I come like this, then I have like, and now I have to say, okay, there was a carbon. So this bond to chlorine was going like that. That's just what was happening. So I do it like this, then it comes back like this. Then there is that double bond. So you do it like this, and you do the double bond like this. You say this plus HCl, okay? It's going to lead to this thing, okay? Because what's going to happen is the double bond will break, and that's what happened. These are the things that you add to alkanes. Now, again, you have the same thing here. For here, what you have is something like this. I'm not the best artist, so you're going to forgive me. And here, we'll put a double bond going to your other thing like this. This is what was happening. There was a double bond, okay? And this is what we had. And we know that we can just say plus your water plus the acid. So you can put plus H2SO4. Or you can put H2SO4 on top of the line or whatever. That doesn't matter. But this is what you had. And these are the ones that will lead to you. Because you know what will happen here? It's very easy. We can see what will happen here. Because what just happens is this double bond will break. And here we know that there are more hydrogens here. So the hydrogen will come here, then the OH will come here. The same thing here, this double bond will break. And we know that there are more hydrogens here. So that means the chlorine will come here. Okay, because there's hydrogen and chlorine. Here there is H and OH. Okay, so that's just what happens. That's just what happens. And that's how we will relate to this and this. Okay, don't ever be fooled. It's nothing complicated. Nothing complicated. So we can go back to what we had. But these are the things that you add to alkenes. These are the two things that you add to alkenes. Water and HCl, okay? Here you can put it like this. So this is going to be what I add. And this is going to be it. And you'd be done. Now we go to the next question, which is question 8.